Hi, it's been a while since I've done a YouTube video. I purchased a new miter saw stand and I thought I would do a quick unboxing. I've already taken it out of the box, but as you can see, I'm just starting to put it together. This is the Wen M330, I believe. It's an Amazon product, meaning I got it from Amazon. But I'm going to see if it's something I like. I bought this because I wanted to store the miter saw on it. And I'm not seeing how to do that. Maybe I'll be surprised. Anyway, we're going to put her together. So here it is. The only thing I've done is I've taken it out of the box and I'm starting to put the outlet on here. Okay, this is mounting the saw to the brackets. I found it's easier to mount it at the back. Push this bolt through, and then we can slide it around wherever we need it. Geez, I have a lot of skinned up knuckles from this little project. Alright, let's see how this works. My big table, or my big saw, we have a DeWalt stand, and that works really well. Well, let's give this a whirl. Well, still no way to how you gonna this is an utter fail. I mean, what good is a rolling stand if you can't set it up somewhere and store it? Hell, the Harbor Freight stand does better than this. So hey everybody, it's the next day. My battery died on the camera. So here we are, it's charged up. I I decided to return the Wen Miter Saw Stand, and I went to Harbor Freight and I bought this. Here's a quick tour. This is the box. You'll notice that this it's a heavier duty unit, and it's actually less money. So, Harbor Freight, there you go. I'm actually putting the miter saw in the brackets, and let's see how it works. Oh yeah, much bigger. Well, I'll have to work on that disassembly here. Figure it out. That is more like it. Okay. That'll lean up against the wall. There's little feet there. I can put that in the trailer. So anyway, let's have a quick look at this. This is much taller, much bigger. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. I like making these. Just so you know, I do enjoy making these, and I hope it's helpful to someone. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Talk to you later.